Can you imagine a world where the way you use money is completely transformed? Not by politics, not by inflation, not even by Wall Street, but by quantum physics? That's not science fiction anymore. Quantum computing is on the rise, and it could redefine the future of your wallet, your savings, and even how you think about wealth. Right now, money is already complicated. We deal with inflation eating away at our savings, taxes that never seem to stop growing, and investments that feel like a gamble. Everyone wants financial security, but the system feels stacked against us. Show a graph of inflation rising. The big question is, how do we actually take control? This is where quantum computing enters the scene. Traditional computers process data step by step. Quantum computers, however, use qubits to explore multiple possibilities at the same time. It's like comparing a candle to the sun. And when you apply that power to money, suddenly the rules of the game change. Think of it like planning a trip. A regular computer looks at one possible route, then another, then another. A quantum computer looks at millions of routes at once and finds the fastest path instantly. Now replace trip with investment strategy, and you start to see the potential. For everyday people, this means banking apps and financial tools could become incredibly smart. Instead of just showing your balance, they could predict how inflation will affect your savings or recommend the exact best time to invest. Image of coins spinning like qubits. It's like having the smartest financial advisor in the world in your pocket. Banks and governments are already experimenting with quantum systems to manage risks. Imagine predicting the next economic crisis before it hits. Instead of reacting after the damage, they could simulate thousands of scenarios and take action early. That means fewer crashes, more stability, and safer markets for investors like you. But let's make this practical. Picture opening your app and asking, how can I double my savings in 10 years? A quantum-powered tool wouldn't just give you generic advice, it would run complex simulations across stocks, real estate, crypto, and global trends, then deliver a personal roadmap. And what about taxes? Quantum systems could optimize tax strategies down to the smallest detail, showing you exactly where to save legally and efficiently. For business owners, this could be a total game changer, cutting costs and boosting profits in ways spreadsheets never could. Crypto investors, listen closely. Quantum computing could both disrupt and strengthen blockchain. On one side, it could break weak security systems. On the other, it could create ultra-secure, quantum-resistant blockchains. That means the way you trade and protect digital assets will completely evolve. Still, the biggest advantage may lie in everyday budgeting. Imagine your app forecasting your next 6 months of expenses with near-perfect accuracy, then adjusting your plan dynamically if you overspend or earn more. This level of precision could help millions escape debt and build wealth faster. Here's the catch. Right now, quantum technology is still expensive and experimental. The big players, banks, governments, and tech giants are first in line. But if history has taught us anything, it's that technology always trickles down. Just like smartphones once belonged only to the rich, quantum-powered money tools will eventually reach everyone. That's why awareness matters now. If you understand where the future of money is going, you can prepare earlier than the crowd. Being ready doesn't just mean investing in quantum companies. It means being open to using these tools as soon as they arrive. Let's not forget the risks. If only a small elite controls quantum finance, the wealth gap could explode. They'll have insights the rest of us can't access, multiplying their fortunes while others are left behind. That's why democratizing this tech is so important. Show split screen, rich versus everyday person. But here's the good news. Innovation has a way of leveling the playing field. Online trading platforms, fintech apps, and even crypto were once reserved for experts, and now millions use them daily. Quantum finance will follow the same path. The question is, will you be early or late to adopt it? Think about how this will change your daily life. Buying a home? A quantum tool could calculate the perfect mortgage terms for your income. Investing in stocks? It could balance your portfolio automatically for maximum growth. Saving for retirement? It could forecast inflation and optimize your long-term strategy with shocking accuracy. Governments could also use quantum tech to stabilize currencies, manage debt, and control inflation. That means fewer surprises like sudden recessions, giving everyday people more confidence to spend and invest. The future of money is not just digital, it's quantum. And if you're paying attention now, you'll be in the best position to benefit when these tools become mainstream. So, how will quantum change the way you use money? in every way imaginable. From smarter savings to safer investments, from personalized advice to global stability, this revolution is coming fast. Here's your call to action. Don't just watch this transformation happen. Get informed, stay curious, and prepare to embrace the next era of finance. Because when quantum meets money, those who are ready will have the greatest advantage. The quantum revolution in finance isn't a distant dream. It's already starting. The only question is, are you ready to use money in a whole new way?